I'm Danny Rogers. I've attended the LinkedIn workshop today conducted by Mr. Ellis and Mr. Watts.
This is an interactive session. Does anybody know what I mean by that?
You got to go out there and create some activity so somebody gives a darn about you in the first place.
The world is changing. You don't apply for jobs like, back in the 70s or 80s or 90s.
Right? See, normally what people do is that they see a job, they apply for the job, right? We're going to show you a new way to do that. I'm sorry, don't record this.
What's the value of LinkedIn? So we're going to show you today. Again, it's about utilizing your network. You have a lot of connections. How do we start leveraging those connections?
One of the biggest things that I found is that LinkedIn is an opportunity for you to get hired from an employer because there are so many different connections, people that you can just connect to. And if your profile is updated, they're looking at that. That's a representation of you.
This is the most powerful thing that you should walk away with.
You're missing out on an opportunity to tell a potential employer, this is what I love to do. This is what drives me.
We're showing you some ways today that are going to make you better, unique, and desirable.
This was a very informative class. Thomas and Johannes taught me things about LinkedIn that either I didn't know or forgotten about. And I think now I can do things in LinkedIn that will help me build my network, and I think I'll be better for it. So I would recommend this class to anyone.
Don't sit on LinkedIn waiting for other people to do things for you. I got a profile on LinkedIn, where the job?
And it was an awesome LinkedIn workshop with Johannes Watts and Thomas Ellis.
When you leave here, you have a new perspective on how to go and get that job that you want.